Hello, I am Aditya Bhatta. I am HOD of School of Social Sciences. Basically, I look after the social work department in the school. The School of Social Sciences, from the day of its inception in 2015, we are committed to give quality of education to the aspiring students of social sciences, in which we conduct different co-curricular and curricular activities through engaging the students in different field works and field-based activities. So if I highlight the strength of the school, I can proudly say that the curriculum of the school, whether it is sociology or social work, it is designed based on the requirement of the present generation and also the requirement of the industry, which looks for the new generations. So the courses are designed mainly to develop the skills, employability skills of the students. Another strength of the school is the collaboration which we have with different academic and non-academic institutions. So here I can highlight some of the academic institutions like Jawaharlal Nehru University of New Delhi, like Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, like Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, Ahmedabad, and Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati. So we have collaborated with these institutions, and apart from that, there are different non-academic institutions like UNESCO Association, Guwahati, then Humanitarian Aid International, New Delhi. So we conduct regular activities like workshops, then seminars, then panel discussions in which the students take part and they connect with those institutions, and with the help of those institutions they connect with the outside world. Another strength of the school I can highlight here is the faculty members who have joined the university after successfully working in different renowned and premier institutions, and also they have completed their higher educations from premier universities of the country. So they have joined the university, and I can highlight one of our faculty member, Professor Chandrakanta Gogoi, who has joined the university after serving successfully more than 35 years at Dibrugarh University as a professor of sociology. So I believe that School of Social Sciences is the best place where a student can get utmost care and guidance from our experienced and qualified faculty members. So I believe the learning environment of the school will definitely help the students to be a good professional in the field they have chosen as their career, and I believe that they will be able to handle the situation, the challenges which they will face in their professional life in a more creative and in a more professional way.